with the massification of universities, we began admitting students, and the gross abuse of the clause in most of our statutes that says you need to have a C+ or its equivalent. Now, that equivalent is not standardized. That equivalent is not known what it's supposed to be. The challenges we face at Jogoo House, because we are the ones who are sued left, right, and center by all manner of people. I don't know how many cases now we have. We have been sued by people who are petitioning the election of others. Or you cleared this person to run for governor when they did not have a degree. Or you cleared this person to run for president when they actually did not have a degree. And organization, and coordination, and proper management to the certification process in the country. So that as we go forward, it's clearly understood by everyone. A diploma means X. And for you to be admitted at the university, once you've been admitted at the university, and you hold a diploma, therefore you qualify to be exempt in this and that kind of program.